Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing naturally fermented homemade cashew yogurt recipe. Cashew curd or yogurt can be easily made at home and is a good alternative to dairy curd. Homemade vegan cashew curd is thick and creamy and is a good source of healthy probiotics as it is naturally fermented. You can see the live activity in the vegan cashew curd and no probiotic capsules are needed to make cashew curd at home. And it's so much better than store-bought cashew yogurt. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. Into a bowl, add in 1 cup cashew nuts and add in some water and let it soak for about 2 hours. After 2 hours, the cashews are soaked really well. Add the soaked cashew nuts into a blender, add in 1 cup filtered water and blend this really well. So basically we are making a thick cashew milk. Once ground, the cashew milk is smooth and creamy. Transfer the cashew milk to a saucepan. So there are some residue milk in the blender. So I'm adding in 1/4 cup filtered water and I'm scraping the sides and washing down the residue cashew milk into the saucepan. Lightly heat the cashew milk on medium flame. Stir with a spoon to prevent it from forming lumps or sticking to the pan. Since we are making curd, I have made slightly thick cashew milk. However, if you want to thin it out, you can add another 1/4 cup of filtered water. Heating the cashew milk prevents contamination by other bacteria. Another option would be to blend the cashews with hot water. You don't need to boil the cashew milk, just heating the milk is needed. So once the milk is heated, turn off the flame and allow it to come to room temperature. Once cooled, pour the cashew milk into a bowl and I am using my vegan coconut curd as a starter. Add in 2 tablespoons coconut curd. If you prefer more sourness to your curd, you can add another extra tablespoon of the starter. Adjust the starter to suit your sour taste. Lightly mix well and cover and let it ferment overnight. Do not use a tight lid. If you don't have a starter, you can naturally ferment the curd using green chilies. Please do refer to my coconut yogurt recipe to understand more about this process. I'm doing this process at night, so the next day morning, that is after about 8 to 10 hours later, the curd is perfectly set. It is super thick and creamy and naturally fermented and a good source of healthy gut-friendly probiotics. Let me show you a close-up of the curd so that you can see the live activity in the curd. Amazingly thick and creamy homemade cashew yogurt. I hope you can see the bubbles forming on the curd. That is the live activity in the curd. Amazingly thick and creamy homemade cashew yogurt. So guys, do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.